Convert Word or PDF to Google Form automatically. Step-by-step tutorial. First, upload your Word document or PDF that you want to convert into a Google Form to your Google Drive. Next, navigate to the Get Add-on button and click it. In the dialog box that appears, search for Auto Magical. When it appears in the list, select it and press Enter to continue. The Auto Magical Forms add-on will appear. Select the one featuring the unicorn icon and click Install. Click Continue and choose an account or sign in with a different account. For this tutorial, we will select this account to continue and allow Auto Magical Forms to access the necessary information. Google will then grant Auto Magical Forms access to your account's information. Click Continue to proceed. Click Allow to complete the installation of Auto Magical Forms. Once the installation is complete, click Done or close the installation window. Ensure that the file you want to convert into Google Form is selected in your Google Drive. Click on the Auto Magical Forms icon to initiate the conversion process. In the new window, click on Request Permission. When a pop-up dialog box appears, click Allow, Proceed and hit on Go automatically to let Auto Magical Forms detect and extract questions from the document. From the options, ensure that Quiz is selected, then click Submit. The extracted questions will appear immediately. Make each question mandatory to ensure that respondents do not skip any items. Scroll through the questions to review them. If everything looks correct, click Create Google Form. Your Google Form will be created automatically. Click Open to view the form or translate it into other languages. Let's open the form to view it. You can edit any part if necessary. You can now use the form to collect responses and export the data into an Excel spreadsheet using the provided link. Thanks for watching Tech Tricks GH. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our videos. It gives us a reason to do more.